Welcome. In this video, I'll show how you can use the newly introduced cross-app action in the Galaxy S25 lineup. So, in brief, the cross-app action allows you to take care of numerous tasks across different apps with a single voice command. So, let's say you're browsing web, looking for some recipes, and you can just, ask Gemini to save those recipes or to save any given recipe to the Notes app. Keep in mind that as of right now, those features work only in the Galaxy S25 lineup. There is a pretty restricted list of languages that those features are available to, and also the selection of apps is also limited to mainly Google apps, Samsung apps, as well as some Spotify or YouTube action as well. So let me now quickly show what you need to do prior to using this feature. So first, go into your device's settings, then enter the advanced features, side button, and make sure that long press action is Digital Assistants, Google Digital Assistants. Now, in order to make your life even simpler, you can also launch the Gemini app, and inside the Gemini application, go into extensions, and here switch on all the apps that are available here, or at least all the apps that you will be able to switch on, since unless they are explicitly enabled here, you won't be able to use any given app from this list in the cross app action once again, unless this app's extension is enabled here. Now let's emulate the situation that I am, for example, watching a YouTube video about One UI 7 features, and I either want to sum up the most important topics or points mentioned in this video, or I'm just too lazy to watch through it, and I just want to get a very convenient to read summary. So what you need to do from here is to press and hold the side power button and wait until Gemini prompt is enabled. Now go or tap on the Ask About This Video button in order for the Gemini to know that whatever whatever we are going to talk about will be related to this video in one way or another. And now you can write in the prompt using the keyboard, or you can use a voice line. Obviously, using your voice, the voice input is way more convenient and hands-free, but you do as you see fit for yourself. Now I will go ahead and ask Gemini to do the following. Hey Gemini, please sum up all new One UI 7 features mentioned in this video and save them as a note. So in my case, something went wrong. Let's try again. Hey Gemini, sum up all the One UI 7 new features that are mentioned in this video and save this summary as a note.
Sorry, I can't find any information about One UI 7 in that video.
As you can see, the features work so-so, if you ask me. They not always go through with whatever request you fed to them. So sometimes it is possible that you will need to, work your way through those bugs and inconsistencies. But let's give it one more try here. Ask about this video. Hey Gemini, please sum up all new One UI 7 features mentioned in this video and save the summary as a note.
Okay, I created a new note called One UI 7 features.
So as you can see, this time the Gemini did succeed, so it was able to look through this video, process it, and sum up the new One UI 7 features and then save them to the Samsung Notes app, as you can clearly see here. If you were to open the details or specifications, you will find that the YouTube query went through successfully, as well as Samsung Notes query did that as well. So we should end up with the Samsung Notes input or Samsung Notes note. Yep, and here it is indeed. So the summary has been created successfully and has been saved to your notes. So I guess this use case is something that, well, many people will find useful. Another interesting example is, let's say you are browsing through restaurants around you, near you, and you just look at them one by one, reviewing the reviews that are left by other people that visited those places. And let's say I found this restaurant and I would like to add the appointment or the booking with it to my calendar. So what you want to do is to once again launch Gemini by pressing and holding the side power key. Now select Ask About screen. And now I will input the prompt that will go as follows. Hey Gemini, please add an appointment with a visit to the restaurant you see on the screen to Samsung calendar for tomorrow 6 p.m.
Okay, adding this to your calendar.
And as you can clearly see, the appointment or visit to the Shrimp House place has been successfully added as the Samsung calendar entry as the event. So let's go ahead and open it. As you can see, it has been indeed added to the Samsung calendar. I will actually just go ahead and separately launch the app and show it to you. Let's see, calendar. I actually spotted it, so you can launch it from the app drawer directly. And indeed, here is the visit to Shrimp Hut appointment or event added to the calendar. So that's only 2 examples of using the cross-app action. And as the feature grows and develops, it will involve new apps and it will be able to work with, longer or bigger selection of applications, since, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, it has been recently launched, so currently it only works with Google and Samsung apps mostly. I guess you can still squeeze out some of this cross-app action from non-Google or non-Samsung apps as well. The thing is, it won't work as stable as it does with, proprietary applications. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.